Here are 4 pieces of news from the world of the crypto industry. Bitcoin will rise to $52.38 million by 2050. Cynthia Lummis to introduce a bill on Bitcoin reserves. Dogwafat fell out of a bullish pattern and is losing ground. Britain fined Coinbase UK $4.5 million for providing services to high-risk clients. First news. Bitcoin will rise to $52.38 million by 2050. One of the world's largest asset managers, VanEck, expects Bitcoin's price to reach $52.38 million by 2050. According to VanEck analysts, the global financial system will undergo significant transformation in the future, and Bitcoin's role in it will greatly increase. VanEck's Bitcoin forecast is based on a detailed analysis of global trade, GDP growth, and BTC's money velocity. Money velocity is a measure of how frequently a single unit of currency is used for purchases over a certain period. The asset manager's model suggests that the leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization will become a key international medium of exchange. VanEck analysts also expect Bitcoin to become one of the world's main reserve currencies by 2050. The dominance of such key currencies as the US dollar, euro, British pound, and yen in the international monetary system will significantly weaken. According to VanEck's research, this is due to various economic and fiscal challenges. The company forecasts a reduction in the use of these currencies in international payments, creating opportunities for Bitcoin to increase its market share. BTC demand should also be stimulated by the expected decline in the contribution to global GDP of some leading economies, including the US, European Union, United Kingdom, and Japan. This trend will support the shift to Bitcoin. Combined with diminishing trust in traditional reserve currencies, digital gold will become even more significant. VanEck experts expect businesses and consumers to seek a reliable currency with predictable monetary policy and immutable property rights. Unlike fiat, which is subject to inflationary pressures and political changes, Bitcoin's decentralized nature ensures stability. It is quite possible that by 2050, BTC will be used for 10% of the world's international trade and 5% of domestic trade. In this case, central banks will hold 2.5% of their assets in cryptocurrency, they noted. Another key aspect of VanEck's forecast is the role of second-layer solutions for the BTC network, designed to solve scalability issues. Solutions like Lightning Network and various sidechains allow transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain to be processed faster and more efficiently. L2 solutions also enhance BTC's practicality as a medium of exchange by facilitating a large number of transfers. These technologies will improve and spread. Ultimately, they will provide the necessary infrastructure for Bitcoin to meet the demands of the global financial system. Considering all the aforementioned factors, VanEck forecasts that the price of the crypto market flagship will reach $2.9 million in a baseline scenario and $130,314 in a bearish scenario. VanEck's conclusions align with the general sentiment of experts who remain optimistic about Bitcoin's future. Many analysts believe that BTC's price will break the $100,000 mark in the near future. Second news. Cynthia Lummis to introduce a bill on Bitcoin reserves. Senator Cynthia Lummis, a cryptocurrency advocate, plans to introduce a bill that could have a huge impact on the digital asset industry. Republican Senator from Wyoming, Cynthia Lummis, intends to introduce a bill to add Bitcoin to the U.S. Federal Reserve's balance sheet as a strategic reserve asset, Fox Business reports. Lummis's bill proposes that the Federal Reserve hold Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, similar to how the agency holds gold and foreign currencies. This could make BTC a key element in managing the U.S. monetary system and stabilizing the value of the U.S. dollar. However, sources familiar with the matter report that additional details of the bill are not yet known. Rumors suggest that Lummis may present the initiative as early as Saturday, just before U.S. presidential candidate Donald Trump's scheduled speech at Bitcoin 2024. There is also speculation that Lummis may discuss the bill during a fireside chat on Friday. The conversation will be moderated by former Democrat Tulsi Gabbard, who now supports Trump. A fireside chat is direct communication between political leaders and citizens, typically using social media, video platforms, or podcasts. Furthermore, Fox Business reports that Lummis is actively seeking support among her colleagues in the Senate Banking Committee, aiming to strengthen the bill's chances of passing through the entire legislative process. Lummis has not officially confirmed anything yet. However, her recent tweet announcing important events this week has fueled speculation. Bitcoin 2024 started on July 25 and will continue until Saturday. The conference will feature key figures from the crypto industry and even well-known politicians, including Trump and Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Third news. Dogwafat fell out of a bullish pattern and is losing ground. In July, Dogwafat's price moved within an ascending channel but then broke through its lower boundary and lost ground. The popular meme coin Dogwafat broke key bullish support and is now targeting new lows. On the daily chart, the popular Solana-based meme coin was within an ascending channel from July 14 to 23. During this time, the coin's price increased by 83%. An ascending channel is a bullish technical pattern that forms when an asset's price moves between two rising parallel lines. The upper line of the channel serves as resistance, and the lower line is support. On July 23, the price closed below the $2.55 support level and has been declining since. Typically, breaking the lower line of an ascending channel signals weakening of the uptrend and increased selling. This is often a precursor to a price decline. However, other key technical indicators suggest that the current decline in WIF may be temporary. For example, the parabolic stop and reverse indicator points are still below the token's price at the time of writing. This signals that the current uptrend is still in place. Such point placement relative to the price is considered bullish and can encourage traders to buy or hold the asset. Additionally, the relative strength index is in an uptrend and is at 59.33, while the money flow index is at 73.06. These indicators measure market overbought and oversold conditions. Current values indicate that WIF accumulation significantly outpaces seller activity. Buying pressure on Dogwafat remains high despite falling below the support level. If demand for Dogwafat continues to grow, it could push the price above the support level and back into the ascending channel, allowing the coin to reach $2.77. However, if the decline continues, the altcoin could fall to $1.48. Fourth news. Britain fined Coinbase UK $4.5 million for providing services to high-risk clients. British regulators, together with the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, fined the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase UK $4.5 million for providing services to high-risk clients, CNBC reports. CB Payments Limited, which is part of the Coinbase Group and manages the global cryptocurrency trading platform, entered into a voluntary agreement with the FCA in October 2020, promising not to attract high-risk clients. However, CBPL violated the agreement and since then has accepted and served 13,416 such clients. Over 30% of these clients deposited about $24.9 million. These funds were used to withdraw funds and conduct cryptocurrency transactions through other Coinbase entities totaling about $226 million, FCA noted. CBPL, in turn, stated that it would enhance compliance with its regulatory obligations in the future under the agreement with the British regulator. Coinbase shares are falling by almost 2% in the US pre-market following the fine imposed by UK regulators, CNBC notes.